Stop. Look at this row of colorful socks. We have 2 blue socks, 3 green socks, and only 1 red sock. We need a magic way to find the item that shows up the most often. That special, most common, number is called the mode. It's the easiest number to find among all the averages. To find the mode, we follow one simple step. Look for the number that appears the most. Sometimes, putting the numbers in order from smallest to biggest helps us see it clearly. This most popular number is our mode. Here is our data set: 4, 8, 4, 10, 8 and 4. Let's first put them in order to find the repeating numbers easily. We see the number 4 appears 3 times. Since 4 appears the most, it is the mode. So, 4 is the most popular number in this data set. Here is our next data set: 3, 5, 7, 5, and 7. Let's check the frequency of each number. The number 5 appears twice, and 7 also appears twice. Since both 5 and 7 appear the most with the same frequency, this set has 2 modes. A data set can have one, more than one, or even no mode. Try finding the mode for this data set. Pause and find the most frequent number now. Here is the answer. Here's one more practice question. Be careful. Pause and find the mode. Here is the correct mode. Since every number appears only once, there is no mode. Let's quickly recap what we learned about the mode. Mode is the number that shows up the most often in a data set. To find the mode, you just look for the number with the highest count. A data set can have no mode, one mode, or multiple modes. You are a master of the mode. Now you know the most popular number in any group. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.